Reporting cash flows from operations. Herald Company reports the following information for its recent calendar year. We have sales of $70,000, expenses under that we've got cost of goods sold of $40,000, we've got salary expense of $13,000, depreciation expense of $7,000, and looks like we've got net income of $10,000. And then we also are given the fact that accounts receivable increased by $7,000, inventory decreased by $3,000, and salaries payable increased by $1,000. So they want you to prepare the operating activities section of the statement of cash flows for Herald Company using the indirect method. So we start off with net income. Net income is $10,000, and that's from operations. So that starts it off with a plus. Then we have depreciation expense. And notice that depreciation expense was subtracted along with these other expenses from sales to come up with net income. And I said before that depreciation expense is a non-cash item. So therefore, if you want to get the true cash from operations, you add this back to the $10,000. Next, accounts receivable increased. So if accounts receivable increases from one accounting period to the next, that means you're not collecting as many receivables. That means you're tying up more receivables in cash, and therefore that reduces the net cash from operating activities by, in this case, $7,000. Next, we have inventory decrease. If inventory decreases from one period to another, that means that you're collecting more cash from your inventory sales, or you might say you're not buying as much inventory, not tying as much inventory up into cash. Therefore, it will increase the cash from operating activities, in this case by $3,000. Say if we had a salaries payable increase, that means that we are say owing people more for salaries than what we're paying. Therefore, we're using less cash, and that will increase our cash from operating activities, in this case by $1,000. When you combine all these pieces together, that means your cash flow from operating activities will be a plus $14,000, or another way to say that, net cash provided by operating activities is a plus $14,000.